So I have mentioned, right? So on the last class, which type of realistic scripts we gonna learn. So anyone remember?
It is about getting the email alert if the usage CPU usage goes behind a threshold.
Hmm.
Uh,
So who
those
will do that?
we have to do.
No, I'm asking, who will share the screen and try to write the script. Let's try. I will help. Who will try? Very simple script it is. Max to max 3 to 4 line. You know already how to identify CPU utilization. It's not about CPU utilization, right? It's like a storage, disk storage. So if disk storage is full, it should alert us. Or if disk storage is more than 90% or 80%, whatever the threshold will mention, so it should alert us. Who will take initiative to do that? Anyone?
No, if you help me, I will do that.
Yes. Share your screen and start writing the script. Okay, first and foremost, what's our requirement? Can you increase the size of that file? Maximize that? Yep.
Define
What's our
threshold.
requirement?
If
Define threshold.
the given task is whether it is utilizing the
No, 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 not task. Disk storage.
DU.
To check the disk storage. Drive storage. How will you check? How will you check the drive storage? Disk
D
storage.
DF
Dear,
hyphen H.
dear,
df-h will give you a result of what? Okay, now go there. Open the terminal. Do you have a Linux machine?
Yes.
Only DF, sir. Only DF.
No, only df won't give human readable format. df-h.
Just a second, sir.
Yep. So is your instance keep on running on weekends also?
No, sir. I terminate it as soon as I complete my
Okay.
work.
Increase the font size. Control plus or shift plus.
Enough,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Try to use tabs. That will help you to, even faster access.
Okay, sir.
Or sometimes we'll, you know, while typing, we'll miss some of the keywords. So if you're using tabs, it will pick it up.
Yes, sir. It's open.
Yeah, close that AWS window. Yeah. Now run that same command.
Yes, sir.
How you will get the output? What's your requirement now?
We have to check the storage utilization.
Right. So which is your storage here?
Right now, I'm mounted
So that
on.
one, 6.8 GB. The
Yes,
first,
sir.
Dev root.
yeah,
Dev, dev root. Yes.
dev slash root. If you observe that 6.8 GB is your total size, used is 1.6, available is 5.2, and use percentage is 24. Now your
Yes, sir.
requirement is if it crosses more than 90%.
Yes, sir.
So how will you take a judgment?
When the use one becomes like 5.5,
No,
then
no,
okay.
no, forget that. 24% use is there, right? Percentage, it's already there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You should get that matrix, right? First.
Yes, sir.
If you get that matrix, you can compare with your threshold value, then compare with that number. If it crosses more than that number, it should alert us, right? So
Yes, sir.
first you need to pick that use. How will you
Yes.
get that use value? Which command will help you to get that? Just observe your output, how it will be.
Top, sir.
How your output is differentiated. Each values in a
Uh,
columns, right?
yes, sir. In columns.
So how will you get the values in a columns? Which command will help you to get the values in a column wise content?
Cut.
Cut and
Cut. I felt.
cut and dock, but cut won't work because if you observe, some of the columns are separated with multiple spaces, some of the columns will separated on single spaces. Did you observe that? File system and size,
Yes, sir.
then used.
AWK we can.
awk is helpful here.
Yes, sir.
So now first you should run this command. This output should be passed to the next command, but also we have one more requirement. See, we don't want all the outputs, right? All the,
Yes, sir.
slash temps slash dev xvda. So we need what? We need
Only
only dev root. So how will
dev
you get that?
by type. Sorry, by find.
No, you can't find because three, this dev slash root may vary for different types of instances. So it should be global. For your script has to be global. It should work in all the instances. Don't stick to any static values here. So df-h dot will give you what?
All, sir. Everything.
No, dot, not star.
The dot means current one.
Present working.
Current. Run that df-h space dot. H space dot. Enter. See, only you will get which drive where you are running the current command. It will pick that drive only and it will display the. output.
Yes, sir.
Got that? So
Yes.
now you have your output on the below at
Yes.
last row. How will you
Yes, sir.
get this? Last
Last tail.
tail. Now run the command one by one. df-h dot
H dot.
hyphen h. No, no, no,
Yes,
no.
yes. Hyphen H dot.
Space df space
H. Sorry.
pipe pipe. You should pass the pipe. Hold on. I'm getting it.
Then
Okay. No, tail hyphen one, right? Because you should get the last column data. Sorry, last row data. Enter. See now it's only displaying dev slash root.
yes, sir.
Now you should get the last first column content. How will you get that?
Last.
See 24% only I should get it. I don't want slash, I don't want 5.2 GB, 1.6 GB. I want only 24%. How will you get that 24%? Last first column.
Uh, we can use this uh, command
NF,
as the pipe. AWK hyphen F.
NF
Write the
hyphen F.
command. Use arrow mark, up arrow, the same command what you executed. Yeah, pipe with, then your command. Which command? AWK.
Hyphen F means it will go for the file, sir. So
No, no, no. Hyphen F only. Hyphen caps F, capital F. Then
space curly brackets.
delimiter. No,
Double
Del-
quotes.
double quotes delimiter. Command ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
del-
Space double quote. Double quotes ends.
curly bracket.
No, single quote.
Sorry, sir.
Flower bracket.
Okay, print dollar.
Mm,
How much?
bracket.
It's a fifth.
No, no, no. You can't take like that because some of the instances you may get one more. So last first. You should think like last first. NF
La-
minus one. Bracket NF minus one.
okay. Print NF minus.
Dollar
Okay.
normal bracket.
Normal.
Now open the bracket.
Okay. Open bracket. Okay.
Not square.
Curly bracket.
Normal.
Normal bracket.
Normal bracket. Okay. Here. Yes, sir.
Yes. NF minus 1.
-1.
Capital N. Capital N. Capital F. Yeah. Close the square bracket. Then flower bracket close. Single quote close. Now enter. Mm,
Sir, there are spaces, sir.
space. Don't give
Uh,
spaces. Arrow mark. Print. Don't give
So not
space.
here also no spaces, right, sir?
Yes. And print also. No, no, no. After print, there is a space. Yeah.
Okay.
Now enter.
So we have to give the cut keyword also, I believe, after the completing the print dollar statement at the end.
Cut. What cut?
I mean the letter cut CUT after
No.
like
No, no, no.
no, sir, but for dollar
Awk
also there should not
hyphen
be
F.
space, sir.
No space, huh?
No, sir. We will get the output without space.
Okay. Remove that. Enter. Something is missing here.
He is missing something. I
After
got
double
output.
quotes. After double quotes.
Hmm.
No, no, no. There should be a
No,
space.
that there should be a space for single quote. Is that single quote?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. See, this is single quote.
Yeah, this is single quote.
Yeah. Now enter.
Yes, I
See,
got it.
now we are getting 24%. Now you should remove percentage. How will you remove percentage?
Percentage remove means
Think percentage is like a pattern. You have to change the pattern. How will you change the pattern? Replace. Replace percentage with empty. Which command?
said
Said. Same arrow mark. Up arrow.
okay, sir.
Pipe width. Said. Single quote. Next what? Don't give spaces. Yeah. Yes. Substitute. Slash. Substitute with what? Percentage has to be replaced with empty. That means percentage slash. No,
Empty.
no, no. Slash. Slash. Without space slash. You can give slash. Or with yeah. G. Global. Enter.
No,
You
sir, it
should
is.
close the quote, right? Single quote.
Oh,
You opened it. You have not closed it. No, no, no. Control C. It's still waiting for your input. Control
yeah.
C.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yes,
Up arrow. Single quote close. Enter. See,
yes.
percentage is removed. Now we can store this value to some of the variable, then compare with the if loop. If this value is greater than or equal to 90, then you should take an action, right? That's it.
Means the given output should be stored in a file, and you have to compare that.
No, no, not a file, just a variable, right? Why you are storing in a file?
Okay, then.
Now write the script. Go there in your notepad. quick, we have to cover two more extra. Don't give spaces. Slash. We are already at the end of the scripting session. Still, you people don't know how to write the shebang.
No, sir. Actually,
Okay,
the
now
thing is,
variable, space, or any variable name you can take it. Disk or space. No, don't give dollar. That's wrong. Variable name, that's it. Like you can take it as a disk. Disk is equal to single quote, not single quote. That is, we have one special character, right, to execute the command. Tick, a wave symbol. Now shift wave that. I don't know how to pronounce that.
this one, sir.
No, so far we have executed some scripts, right? Over
Yes, sir.
there, while storing an output to the variable, we have executed some commands, right? Over there to execute the command before expression, we are using one symbol, right?
Backtick.
Before one, before one in your keyboard
Okay, okay. I used this one.
equals to, disk equals to
Okay.
that symbol, then your command, whatever the command you have executed so far, right? Copy there and paste it here. Yeah, just execute command up to G. Yeah. No, if you select that, it will be like a copy. No need to do Control C and all in Linux. Close that special character. Tick. No, after, yeah, yeah. Okay, now this output will be stored in disk.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what next? If loop, right?
Yes, sir. If
If space square bracket
disk is
dollar disk,
one
not
sec.
disk. If space
If dollar disk
dollar
is
disk
equal
space hyphen greater than or equal GE,
to
your threshold value may be 80% or 90%. That's up to your requirement. Give 80, then close the square bracket. Next line, then what? You have to print some statement. Okay, echo double quotes. Disk memory is more than 80%. Please take the action. Okay, but with respect to organization levels, the same message will pass to the mail subject.
yes, sir.
Okay, but for now to test it, you can just copy and run this, and you have to close the, yeah. But instead of 90% or 80% to test, give
We
some
will give,
another values. Okay, now copy first, copy and paste it
we
over.
will give the 20%, sir, because
Yeah, but
already
you should make
24% is already 20%, 24% is used. So if you want the dollar to come, then we have to use a little
no,
lesser.
make it 30.
Okay.
Make it 30. We will download something over there and we'll make the storage as crossing 30%. Then it should display this. Whenever pasting, you should write the file, right?
Oh, yes, yes.
Control C. Memory.sh. Insert I. Press I. Ah, now paste. It's not copied. Control C.
Yes.
Save. No. Remove that I. Open file
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
after F5. Insert. Escape.
Dot.
No space.
Pardon. Okay, set.
No, it won't take because why its tab is not working means
Yes, sir.
that's not executable permission which is added to that scripts.
Okay.
Enter now. You will get to know.
Array.
See
Okay, now.
permission denied. chmod plus x memory.sh plus x space. Now you can use tab me tab. Yeah, enter. Now dot slash
Dot slash.
m tab. See, now it's coming because now it's executable.
Line 3.
Command not found. Line number 3. Open memory. Mm,
I think I given
yeah,
space here.
space is required here. After square bracket, one space, and after 80 space.
Yes.
Yeah, save and execute. No, not required. Why you want to change again? It's
Okay.
already applied, right? Dot slash. You won't get any output because it's 80%, right? It will check 80%, but 80% is not matched. So it won't execute that echo statement.
Okay.
So now make it 30% and download something over here. Let me take some large file.
Shall I give 40%?
30.
30. Okay.
Make it 25 at least. Currently it's 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Save and execute once. Now try to use up arrows because you already executed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still in
Okay.
20.
DFI fnh run once that and check your memory, how much storage it's there.
It's still on
Okay,
24.
24. Let me give you any link. 512 MB files.
If we install some APK also, it will the
But
storage will.
APKs won't have that much of memory.
Okay.
Hold on, let me give you.
So using SCP, we can store any files in there. It's
Yeah, you
like
can
videos.
store it if you have 1 GB of data, 1 GB or 500 MB files. Do you have it?
No, sir. If we need to 1% means this that is about 60 to 70 MB, I think so.
Yeah, if you have 100 MB of files, you can just transfer it to this system.
Okay, sir. I will find out. Kishore, can you share username, password, and IP?
Um, for my instance, right?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah. Shall I share it here?
Okay.
But password is not, accepted here because it's a
We are
new
in Ubuntu,
instance.
sir. That's the issue. Because we are in PEM file, right?
PEM for authentication.
Sir, how to copy the files to PEM file? Is that possible, sir?
How to
With the
copy?
SCP command, use of SCP command
Hmm.
using PEM file authentication, can we copy the same? Is that possible?
Yeah. Stress test is for CPU utilization. This is for storage. Both are different.
Sir, shall I copy some file from local to remote?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you have 100 MB or 100 MB files, you have
I need to check in the
in
download.
downloads, just get the details. I mean, you can sort view with details. They will get um, information about your file contents.
Should we
No,
run
no, no,
the?
not here, not here.
Okay, sir.
I told you in your local system, right? You have downloads, right? Here
Yes.
on above you have view option, right? In the toolbar,
Yeah.
sort, yeah, details with the details. If you select a list or details, yeah, here you will get right. So 143 MB, 27.9 MB
Yes, sir. This
digit
file.
syllabus. You can transfer this,
Will try.
but rename this because it contains some spaces, right?
Yes, sir.
So spaces will be considered as a different character over there while copying, or just remove the space. That's fine. Yeah, enter. Now copy this SCP. Exit.
Yeah,
No, no, no. Right now you are in Windows machine. Sorry, Linux. Exit.
yes, sir.
Yeah. SCP. Then space your file name. You remember that file name?
No, sir. Actually, forgot.
Yeah. Just type SO, capital SO, and
Okay.
tab. It will pick capital S O tab. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then hyphen I. Your PAM file.
And I
Tab. Use tab.
message
No. Your PAM file.
PEL.
Try to use tabs always because maybe
Okay, sir.
Ubuntu @ IP. Copy. No, you can copy here, right?
If I copy that also, then
Yeah.
sometimes what happens, sir, if I go and paste it here,
Right click, paste,
it will, no, today it will happen.
colon.
Oh,
Wait. No such file or directory. Colon.
colon.
No, space.
Okay, colon.
Colon slash home slash no space
Oh, sorry, sir.
slash Ubuntu. Enter.
Connection closed.
Permission closed. Permission denied. Do ls. It's scripts.pem, right? So that's why always tells you use tab. It's not script.pem, scripts.pem.
Okay.
Use up arrow, make it scripts.
Still exists.
Permission denied. My permission denied. Try to do SSH space copy from hyphen I SSH. Remove the previous SCP. Remove the PDF also. Make sure that whether we are using the right PEM file. Remove up to S. Yeah, and remove at last slash home slash Ubuntu colon slash home slash Ubuntu. Yeah, enter. Exit. Now
Now
what's
should I run?
right? Sociology.pdf -I. Just interchange that sociology PDF. Just remove over there and add after PEM. Remove.
Okay.
Yeah, after PEM file, add that space capital S. No, capital S O tab. Enter. Yeah, it's transferring.
Okay. So SSCP PEM file.
SAP PEM file. Then it's transferred. Now login. Use up arrow. Yeah, enter. DFMNH.
Yeah. Here, it's still 24.
1624. Okay, just do ls-l
ls
space
iPhone
-l L
iPhone. Oh, sorry.
9. Okay, do copy the same file multiple times. We'll see. CP
CP.
space capital S tab, then capital S tab. Yeah, just add after syllabus 1. Syllabus 1.pdf. Enter. Then use up arrow. Make it 2. Now run dffnh.
D. Yes, sir. Now it got
Now
went
run
up to.
the script dot slash. Yeah, see.
Yes.
So that means it's executing, it's comparing and executing the command if it crosses the threshold.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment, I will be back. Stop share your screen.
Okay, sir.
How to, sir, how to push the email notification?
I will give that. But that requires, some configuration with respect to instance level. That will taken care by the admins.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
One command is their mail command. Similarly, like how we have df, how we have awk command. Similarly, we have mail command. So by using the mail command, we'll push the notifications with respect to the concerned group or with respect to a single person mail IDs. But why we require this script? What's the use of this script with respect to a real time when we're talking about the organization level? Why we need this? How
If
come
we,
this will be a realistic script?
if we are sharing a file, or if we need to transfer a data from one location to another location, then this script might help us to like check. It will alert us whether we are overburdening the space.
Not only transferring files, see, just think about organizational perspective. You have launched a new application, like a banking application, some softwares with respect to e-commerce. You
Oh,
launched a particular software with respect to one instance. Now your instance is holding your application. That application creates a logs. That application requires some, release activities. We are transferring numerous number of files, numerous number of contents, and also application itself generates random files, temp files, catchy files. It's observing and it's creating and it's consuming the system storage, but at certain time, it's may cross the beyond threshold limit. Threshold that is not, set it by the system itself, right? We have configured it, but just think about, okay, currently my disk is 8 GB of capacity. If it crosses 8 GB, my application won't work, right? Because no space left. Just think about your phones, your computers. If the storage is not sufficient, you are unable to capture even single photo, right? If the storage is full, have you observed it? If your storage is full, you won't be able to operate your system. That means your applications not work. So we always focus on the storage first. If the storage is full, our application will be crashed. Our application will be stopped. So always we have to monitor the space. How much space is left, how much space is available. Depending on that, we should take an action. If it crosses the threshold limit, threshold means we will set it. For example, okay, I will set my threshold as 80%. If it crosses 80%, so that means storage is not that much sufficient to hold my application, so I need to increase the volume, increase the disk size, or add new volume, right? Similarly, how we are doing for, you know with respect to phones. So if our storage is full, we will buy extra SD cards, right? Earlier, remember the earlier phones, we have extra slots, but right now, anyhow, the phone itself will have 1 TB of ROM, right? But earlier we have only 250 MB or 512 MB of ROM, and after that we will purchase some SD cards, external devices. SD cards will place over there and will get 2 more GB extra storage, right? Remember? So similarly, in the system itself, we will add a new volume or we will extend the volume. That we'll learn next, on the AWS classes, how to attach a new volume, how to extend the existing volume if the volume is full. Volume is nothing but storage, okay?
yes, sir.
Now, but thing is here, okay, we have written a script to identify and monitor, but that still have a manual intervention, right?
Yes, sir.
Manual intervention should be there. You are executing that. Once you execute it, it will monitor and it will alert you. But this should be in an automation way, right? It should monitor on every minute or every hour, right? Because every time I'm not that much free to, log into the system, execute the script. Instead of executing the script, I will run dffnh, right? So what's the point of writing a script then,
Yes, sir. You
right?
have to
So
you have to make it periodic.
right. So otherwise, I can directly, DFI fun edge. If I run that command, I can able to see that I can take an action.
Yes, sir.
Why I should spend a time to write a script, right? Both are doing same. So we should make it as an automated way. This script should run automatically without any manual intervention, right? It won't expect any input from the any of the user. It should run on itself. How to make that? We have a cron jobs.
What is that? Sorry, sir.
Cron
Cron.
jobs.
Okay.
Cron jobs are used for scheduling the scripts with the particular time, or we can automate on this time, on this interval script has to be run. Cron job, or we called as cron tab. Cron jobs is used to schedule the script, schedule the event at what time you want to trigger it. Okay. Cron jobs will have a patterns. How it will work? It's work as a pattern. For example, if I'm mentioning 5 stars, it will have the 5 values. So the first one will be a minute. Second one is hours. Third one will be, any guesses?
Day,
Days.
date,
Date. Fourth one,
Month.
month,
month. Fifth one,
Year.
Yes.
no, day of the week.
Okay, particular day of a week. Yeah.
Yes, Monday, Tuesday, right? Because every month, with respect to the dates, days will vary, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why. Okay. So minute. How many minutes we have?
60.
60.
So 0 to
60.
59,
Oh, okay.
right? We don't have 60 in our clocks, right? Hours.
24.
Before.
That means 0 to
23.
23.
23.
Hold on. So 23. Next date 0 to,
31st.
do we have 0 in dates?
No, sir. 1 to 31st.
So 1 to,
31st.
it may vary, 28, right?
Yeah.
29, 30, 31. Month 0
1,
to
1 to 12.
1 to 12.
Yes, sir.
Days of the week
7. 0. 1
0
to 7.
to,
No, sir. 1 to 7.
no, 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 0
Monday will
to
be okay. 7.
6.
6,
Okay.
right? 0 also considered as a value, right?
Yeah,
So
yes, sir.
0 to 6. Okay, now, now just think if I give all stars, then followed with one path slash script dot sh. This means what?
Everything will be slow.
So that
One,
means every minute, every hour, every date, every month, every days.
okay.
This script should execute. What if in case I want to run my script on every hour?
First, we need to remove that for first stars. Only four stars.
No, all the five values should be there. Otherwise, it won't accept.
Then we should
Five values should be there.
hyphen double hyphen.
No, it should be some value, either star or some numbers. I told you, right? See here. It should accept only this one or this one. This one or this one. Okay. Now tell me.
59.
Zero, zero,
Zero,
2.
2.
I mean, second, 0.
So first value is 0. Second value is 2.
Yes, sir.
And
Second hour.
And third,
At
third
what
value.
date? I mean, if we want to run on today's
My
date,
requirement is every hour.
There should be stars.
then star, sir, star. I mean, for hour is
Where? Third
star.
one, huh? Or second
Second
one?
one.
Second one, star. Third,
Uh, then
Star.
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 That should also be star.
Everything is star. X minute. Why we are mentioning here 0? What's the
We
reason?
want, we don't want that to happen every minute. It has to happen only on the hours.
No, you can give any other numbers, right? Why 0?
Uh, Zero
Sir,
is
if you
starting.
give one, like for every minute, it will start.
Now my question is, instead of here you can mention like 10 or 12 or 1 or 2, right? Why 0? Because every hour starts with 0.
Oh,
200, 100, 1200, right? So every hour starts with 0. If I'm mentioning 0 means this will replace every time, right? For example, it start from 1, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That means every hour, right?
yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, understood.
Now tell me, I want to
It
run
will
my
start it
script.
also from the 0 minute.
Yeah, 0th minute. Every hour starts from 0, right? How we will say
Okay.
12 o'clock? 12:00, right? If I mention 5 means 12:05. That means already 5 minutes crossed. So that's why every hour means we will mention 00. Now tell me, I want to run my script on 5th September 9:30 a.m. Tuesday. Quick.
30,
30.
09.
Hmm.
September will be 7. No, sorry. August.
9,
Date.
9,
Date,
0.
date,
Date.
5,
Date.
0, 5,
9,
Month.
9,
9,
Month.
0,
09.
9.
Tuesday.
Then Tuesday.
Uh,
Means
3,
0 means
0, 3,
Sunday.
0,
0, 3,
3 or 2.
0, 2, 0, 2.
3, 3.
0 is Sunday.
0, 2, sir.
1 is
0, 2,
Monday.
sir.
2 is Tuesday.
0.
Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Now
Yes,
if
sir.
I want to schedule, my script has to be run on every minute.
Instead of 30, we should give 0.
I mean, star.
All stars.
Yes, sir.
Every minute means all stars. I mean every minute, every day, every month, every if they are specifying every day, every month, every minute, every hour, it should be all star. With respect to minute, like 9:30, 9:45, That 45 or 30 should be as a first value. Hours means second. Date means third. Okay, clear? You can search it in the Google for a different types of requirements, like different dates, different values. You can search and observe the changes. Okay, is that clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
So let me give that script as well.
From which trade minus one note, single quotation, print five minus one.
Right. Next pipe said
Said
single
yes.
quote s slash star slash slash g next quote and then if dollar space is greater than or equal to 90%, then echo disk is full. Please take action. Then this should be followed to mail command. Mail hyphen yes. Then your subject. Subject you can mention like a memory full. Then hyphen c to the person to whom you want to send. For example, devops.com. It's like group. Hyphen c is for cc, right? Carbon copy. Then
Sir.
to the person to whom you want to send, like test at the rate gmail.com. This is like a to, and this is cc, and this is the subject. That's how you will send a mail, right? And this is your mail body. Okay.
First comes CC, sir. Here.
Yeah, hyphen c means cc.
Okay. If
After
you
hyphen
don't,
c flag,
if you don't
then
mention that flag, then it will be directly to
yeah,
the.
it will be directly sending to two.
Okay.
But in organization level, cc should be there, right? Like managers or tls
Yes, sir.
always. Then if I want to schedule this script on an hour, it should run and identify make it. Okay, let me show you how to schedule it. See, this is my instance, right?
Yes, sir.
So cron tab hyphen L is to list any cron jobs which is available for this user. So see, no cron tab for Ubuntu. Okay, now let me edit. Edit means create new. You can select any one of the editor. I will select Vim. That is basic. Okay, it will open this. So this will give you an information about how the cron tab will be worked. See here, for example, you can run the backup for all the user account at 5 a.m. every week with 0, 5, star, star, 1. Then followed with the command tar-zcf. Then backup home to one of the backup place. So this command will run on every day 5 a.m. Right?
Yes, sir.
So these are all commented, okay, just for our information. See, five values also they have mentioned like month, hour, day of month, sorry, date of month, then month, day of the week. Okay, that's what we discussed right over here. Minute, hour, date of the month, day of the month. Now, so if I want to schedule, my script has to be run on every hour, star, then followed with home slash Ubuntu, where your script will be located, right? You should mention that memory.sh. Okay, even I can store this value like this home, like append, right? You can
Yes, sir.
place your append, whatever the output which is coming from this command or this script. I want to store it somewhere. Ubuntu slash memory script underscore output. This is my new file, but this file is not here. Let me add that file. See, cron tab is installed. Now if I search for cron tab -l, see, one entry is added. Now let me create a file here, vi memory.sh. Instead of space 90, let me add for 20, and I will remove this mail command. Just to observe the output whether it's storing into a file. That means whether it's executing or not. Okay, every hour we edited, right? Let it as every on tab F1 E star. Just see here currently there is no file memory output.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, memory dot. Okay,
No,
that
sir.
is our file. We have given this path only, right? Slash one slash Ubuntu.
1 minute isn't happen, I guess.
Yeah, see,
Yes, now it's come.
but I think it's not store any output, I believe. Okay, it's 32. Cat memory dot sh. We have given 20. Cat memory.
Echo
This
should
is
come.
here. Okay, that is coming. 32 is greater than equal to, then ah, okay, ch. Okay, earlier permission was not added. Now let me remove this memory underscore. It will create again after a minute. Okay, now it's understood. So, for any doubts?
No, sir.
Anyone? Okay, let it run. Meanwhile, we'll just execute one more script. Okay, now another script is if any of the services you already familiar with, right? Services application like
Yes.
Java is a service, it is a service, Apache is a service, right? Any of the service which is stopped, it should alert us because sometimes because of some other issues, some of the services may stop. So I want to write a script to identify any of the services which I listed. If it stopped, it should alert us. How will you make this? Which
Mm.
one comes to your mind? First, you need to list the services, right?
Yes, sir.
Services like, for example, Tomcat, then Java, then Apache 2. Okay. Now, what's next? How will you pick one by one?
One.
You have three values. You have to pick one by one to identify whether this service is running or not. For loop, right? For I in then pilva for loop. Services forgotten everything. Do.
For
How you will check whether the service is active or not active?
no, sir. Don't know that.
Services don't know.
No, sir.
I already showed you at the beginning level. Sudo service,
Pseudo
service name
service,
stop
service
or
name,
start or
status.
status or ps-ef to check the processes. Hmm? Immediately saying don't know, right? See, disk is full, three times it's executed, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means three time you got an alert on every minute. See, every minute it's updating. See now, time is 3:48. Okay, three times it's executed. Well, 3:49 also it will execute. Every minute it will execute.
So,
Yes.
so it will show like, I
Yeah,
mean,
it's executed.
we have
Yes.
to open the file and we will see, right? Can we, I mean, we can't get the output like just a pop-up message kind of.
No,
This
no, no.
is
See, actually, in real time, we'll get the mail because you are working on something else, right? Because every time you don't want to, log in the system and check the dff and h command, right? So if anything happens, it should alert us. That's why you have written a script and you have mentioned that it will send a mail if anything happens to the instance level. So once you got the alert, you will identify that okay, which instance, then you will log in, you will extend, you will take an action. That's the real time scenario. But for the identification purpose, what I have done, I will store this output in one of the file, that is memory script.output. So here in this file, each line represents the script was executed because cron tab I have added it, right, every minute, just to validate whether this script is executing every minute or not. For that
no,
reason I have added.
no, sir. Actually, what she meant is she has to get some pop up, but
See,
in
pop up,
CLM,
pop up also. See, if you are getting a pop up means you should have a visualize in this terminal, right? That means
yes,
you logged into the system. But in real time, you are not working in the same system. because you are spending your time with multiple instances, right? We do have hundreds of instances in real time in organization level. You are doing some work on different tools. In that situation, we won't, check the pop-ups also, right? If you get the mail notification, definitely you will check the mails, right? That's our job. Always we will refresh the mail if any critical issues, anything which happens with respect to the production level, we'll get the alerts, right? So we'll always check the alerts instead of checking the instances directly. Once we get the alert, then we will log into the system and we'll resolve the issue. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in CLN, in the command line also we will get the pop-ups, sir.
See, in command line, you will get the pop-up like if I am waiting here. See, currently I'm storing this file, right?
Yes, sir.
If I'm not storing, at least you will get some pop-up. But for that, you have to wait here. Don't run any commands and all. You have
Oh,
to wait in the CLI mode itself, the terminal itself.
okay.
You will get one pop-up.
Okay. Understood, sir.
Yeah. But ideally, in real time, we won't spend a time in instance level. Whenever any issues, then only we'll log in. Because during the release activities, any fixes during that time only we'll log into the system. Otherwise, no. Okay, clear? So let
Yes, sir.
me delete this cron tab. Otherwise, it will keep on running.
Yes, sir.
Let me.
Sir, is it possible to pause that schedule or anything? Like, I mean, in case
Yeah,
if
you
you
can
have to
comment.
temporarily.
That's it.
Okay.
Once you comment, that's it. You're done.
Uh,
A cron tab is pre-installed or should we install the
Yeah,
package?
it's already installed. In
Okay.
Linux system, it will be there.
Okay.
If it's not there, it will give you an error message saying that okay, cron command not found. And also in below, it will give some extra hints like install cron.
Yes.
But 99% it will be available. Okay, next do what? What you will do here?
So
Either you can check like sudo service or sudo run here sudo service name is $I
Thompson.
status, right?
Yes.
But let me check whether the status how it will be. Okay, let me install sudo apt update. Remember we have installed Apache. Sudo apt install
Yes, sir.
Apache 2. Yes. Just I want to get the status after a state if it's inactive, whether I'm getting a 0 or 1. That value, depending on that value, I can customize my script. Okay, now sudo service name is Apache 2 status. Status is active. If I run echo dollar question mark, definitely I will get 0. Okay, now let me stop this. Status is inactive. Now if I check, yeah, okay, I will get a random value, right?
Yes.
So I will check the status. Service $I sudo service name status.
Yes.
After running this command, what's next?
Yes.
If
Yes.
if dollar question mark is not
No.
equal to 0,
Yeah.
then that means what? Service is
Then
stopped, right?
stop. Yes, sir.
Echo
Service has stopped.
the dollar
He
I service
has.
is stopped.
Okay.
Please take the
Action.
action, right? You can send mail as well. Hyphen yes. Then subject is service stopped. Then hyphen C group @mail.com. Then team
Indeed.
@mail.com. Okay. Then that's it, right? It should alert us. If you want on top of it, you can try to restart also. Sudo service $I restart, right? You can do it, but this is not recommended. You want to identify, right, why this service is stopped. You have to troubleshoot, then done. Because we have created one if loop will be ended with fi, then for loop will be ended with done status. Clear? Any questions?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay. Vi service dot sh. Tomcat Java Apache 2. Okay, now let me run this service.sh. Ah, Java couldn't be found. Okay, this will be in a interactive mode. What I will do, let me add this to one of the variable so that it won't be disturb the CLI.
Output
Status
equal to.
equals to okay, that's it. See, Tomcat not found because Tomcat is not available here. Java also not found, but Apache 2, if you observe, Apache 2 service is stopped. Please take the
Action.
action. Let me start the service. Apache service sudo service Apache 2 start. Now run the script again. See, only Tomcat and Java it's showing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear for everyone? Any doubts over here?
No, sir.
One last script. Simple, right? Whatever we have covered so far, same for loop we have used, same dollar question mark which we have covered for a global variable. Everything we are concatenating here to get the desired output. Next thing is cleanup script. Cleanup is nothing but, we will identify one folder over there. I want to clean up the old temporary files. For example, recently 20 files I want to make it available, remaining that I want to clean it up. So for example, you have hundreds of files. Just think about hundreds of files, over hundreds of files. Only recent 20 files I want to keep it. Remaining 80 files has to be deleted. How we will do that?
Time.
RM
First, you
No.
find
need to take a total count, right? Inside that folder. How will you take a total count? ls pipe wc hyphen
WC.
l. I will show you how this ls command work. See, ls pipe with wc hyphen l will give you total count.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I got the total count. Then you need how many files you want to delete it, right? So delete count. Delete count you have to identify like how you will identify expression dollar total
Not.
no minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus your number, actual number. So for example, you want to retain 20. If you want to retain 30, depending on that. Now I want to retain 20. See, total, for example, if you have 50 minus 20, so 30 you want to delete, right?
Yes, sir.
You will get that count here. Clear? Understood this part? Delete
Mm,
count. First, you want to know how many files has to be deleted, right? Out of
yes, sir.
50. So that's why delete count is expression dollar total minus your
20.
actual value, files you want to retain.
Okay.
Next, if then you have to compare, right? For example, you have only 15 files, total 15 files.
Yes, sir.
Then if you want to delete the file, you know that's not the right path, right, to delete it. So first you need to check whether dollar delete
Count.
count is greater
If
than what? Zero, right?
yes,
At least it should be one number, right? Greater than zero.
yes, sir.
More than 20, then only you can delete.
Got
Now,
it.
ls-rt. Why ls-rt?
Okay.
What ls-rt will do? What is the use of ls-rt?
Reverse timely manner.
Recently created will be the last.
Recent
Recent one will be on the top or bottom?
Recent
top. Top.
Top.
reverse, yeah, on the top.
Recently will be on the top. What's our requirement?
Uh, the requirement is what are the above 19 should be deleted.
No, 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 no. Recent 20 files you have to keep, right?
80
Oh,
has to be
You
done.
have to keep only recent 20 files. Apart from that, everything
the
has
older
to be
one should be
cleaned up.
deleted.
So,
Yes, sir.
pipe head
Head
minus, that is
20.
hyphen dollar delete
Correct.
count. This will display what?
Top counts of
Top 20.
no, no, no. Delete count. It is remaining
It
after.
will give long list for
See, first understand LSI for RT will give you what? LSI for RT will give you what? Recently created files on the bottom, right?
Yes.
Reverse. R means reverse.
Recent files on the top.
No.
it will give recent
Past files on the top.
reverse timely manner.
Forget it. ls command. See, ls on lt. Service file will be on the top, right? That
Yes.
means June 10. That is today. See, today files will be on the top. If I give ltr, it's reverse. That means recently created files on the bottom. Understood? Now observe here. RT means bottom. R means bottom. So that's why I'm fetching the details of above. That means old files. See, think you have 50 files. Out of 50 files, 20 files you have to make it available. That is recent one. So remaining 30 has to be deleted. So now what I will do, LSF and RT, recently created 20 files will be on the bottom. So that's why I will make head -30. That means on the top. Now 30 files will be deleted. That is old files. Understood? Instead of, if you are using RT, if you just used -T, you can use tail. Clear? Understood?
Yes.
That's it. Right? Clear? I will show mkdir test touch 7 8 ls-lt. Now ltr. These files has to be deleted, right? How many files extra? 4 files. Only these 4 files has to be deleted. Remaining 20 files has to be available. So let me run this script. See, it's deleted, right? If you observe, only 20 files it's kept. Now ls pipe wca-l, see 20. Clear? This you can change it. How many files you want to retain, you can change it. Okay, clear everyone? Any doubts? Just try these scripts and make sure that, before executing this script, create one folder and inside that copy this and create some random files, then apply it. Don't apply this to, in your downloads and all. Okay, because it will delete all the files. Okay, so that's all about the scripts. In the next class we'll start git. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, try to execute the script, and if any questions, tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay,
Sure, sir.
okay, then see you tomorrow. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.